Right, so we're in Phi Phi. I'm going to brave getting a trim. As you can see, I'm looking a little bit wild. Usually I have one every week, but it's been nearly 2 now, so need the beard done. Wonder whether the moustache is going to get whipped off.
Oh dear.
Need a bit of a trim on top as well. So we're going to go check it out.
Go on then.
Bit of copper on the moustache, I think. Or should we go for peach pink? Yeah. Hiya. Okay, so I've just come out, I've survived, so is my sash, as you can see. Nice
Beautiful.
little fade. Yeah?
Give us a
worried,
twirl.
I didn't go for the pink in the end, barely let them touch the tash, but they've done me a beautiful little fade. She knocked the seat back and said it don't work, as she was about to get the cutthroat out, but yeah, we made it.